Hello, welcome back to Helping Hand OKC. Today here I'm going to show you how to locate your outlet from your breaker box. And the tool that we're going to be using for this is a Klein tool receiver transmitter. The model is a ET310. This roughly costs you probably about 50 bucks. You can get it at your local hardware store. This is a really handy tool. And the way it works is that you're able to it's got a receiver part. This is the transmitter and this is the receiver. And way it works that you plug this in the outlet, and if you're trying to locate just that outlet in your circuit breaker box, you can find it. It'll beep rapidly. I'm going to show you how it works. Also, it also has you can check your GFCIs on here. It's got a push button here. So if you plug this in there and you push this button and pop your GFSI, it'll tell you whether or not it's working correctly. It can also show you, check to see whether or not your wires, your plug is wired correctly. It can check that as well. They have certain different inlet lights on the bottom here, and it lets you know whether it's connected right, it's ground or open or short or something like that. So I'm going to show you how to check how to find this outlet in your breaker box. Sometimes you have breaker box either in the closet or in the garage or behind the door, depending on where they put it at. Um, let's go. I'm going to show you how it's done. Okay, so that plug there, we're going to plug it in the outlet. Either one, it doesn't matter. And it should light up. There. You got two lights on. That two light indicator shows me that it's connected correctly. It is wired up correctly. Now we're going to go out to our breaker box. But before we do that, we're going to turn the light on. Then they have power for this test to work. So it can locate it in your breaker box. So now I'm going to go to your breaker box. Your breaker box here. Open it up. And you know how sometimes you have breakers in there that are not marked? A lot of times they'll mark your oven or your stove or fridge. And sometimes it'll be no markings at all. And you're trying to figure out which brick I need to turn off to kill the power of that plug. So a lot of times people just keep turning them off and on and on and off. And, so this is make life a little easier. So you're going to take your snooper and you're just going to go down the deals. Check it. Check that side again. And it should start beeping really rapidly. See that? So that tells me that breaker is the one that goes to that plug. So we're going to turn that one off. If you were going to do some work on that particular outlet or change that outlet, you would turn that off. And now that you got it turned off, now you can go and repair or replace that outlet. This plug is off and all the lights in there are off as well. So therefore, if I was going to work on this plug, I can go ahead and unplug this and work on it. You have no lights on at all. So that means you killed the power in this room, and it was okay to unplug it to work on it. Your power return when I turn the power back on. So that let me know that everything's okay at this outlet. Power has been restored. Now I'm going to show you guys. How to check your GFCI with this same tool. It's a GFCI plug. I don't know if you can see that. That's what the plugs look like, this GFCI. It's got a circuit breaker here and a reset button here, and it got a green light on. So that lets me know that it's working. But if I was to take my tester to test it, I would plug it in like so. then I would push it. And when I push it, I should lose power. That lets me know that GFSI switch is working correctly. So when I pull it out, I just push reset, and the light comes back on, and the light comes back on. See that? I'll plug it back in, and see my lights light back up. So that lets you know that GFSI circuit breaker is working correctly and wired correctly. And also, this tool, you require batteries. You can open this up and require, I think, AA batteries as well inside of here. You just open up. This one require no batteries at all. This goes off the current that's in the wall, so you know it's not batteries operated for this. Um, it's a good little tool if you're doing electrical work or if you're trying to locate, tag all your breaker boxes, put tags on them or something like that. You can locate them and mark them with this, and you can just check any plug in the house with this. It's a great tool. Um, Hope this was a help to someone that's trying to locate their plugs and label their breaker box so they'll know which outlet goes to what room. Uh, I thank you guys for tuning in. I hope this was a help. If anybody, you have any other questions, please leave a comment. If you got any ideas to something that you might want to see, please leave a comment. For those who hadn't subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can find me at Helping Hand OKC. That's Helping Hand OKC. And I thank you. Bye-bye.